Hey guys, it's Cameron back again with another video. I'm here today with my friend Jacob and his Yamaha Warrior 350. What year is it?
I think it's a 1999.
All right. Let's run over some of the stuff. So engine displacement 350.
This is a Yamaha Warrior 350. It's all original. As you can see, the plastics are in pretty good shape.
It's actually got like the original stickers, or I think what's the original stickers. No rips in the seat. You know, everything's really nice on it. This is kind of a really nice example that I've seen.
But however, it was we've had it for roughly 15 years. My family has, and we lent it to some people, and they kind of ruined it at the beach. They ruined it at the dunes, and they got sand in the carburetor, sand in what looks like the rear axle. So there's some things wrong with it. Me and Cameron worked on it the last couple of weeks, and we have replaced the carburetor. Just today we did that to get it running. Previously we cleaned out the old carburetor, however it had some fuel leaking problems.
Yeah, I'll put up a picture of what it looked like on the inside.
And then we also we did a complete oil change, changed the spark plug as well. I bought a coil pack for it, but it doesn't look like we need to change that right now. We've also rinsed it down as well, covered the spider webs.
And like the, you know, kind of like the thick mold that not thick mold, but like, you know, like little mildew spots that like kind of hard to get off.
It was sitting in the barn for the last couple of years, ever since we lent it to those people and they kind of ruined it. I also bought a battery for it, replaced the battery was dead. Replaced the oil filter along with the oil change.
Aired up the tires.
The front right tire right now has a leak. Tried to seal that, but it doesn't look like it's gonna work. But it holds air good enough right now. So
go for a ride and pump it back up, you know, whatever.
What's that? I don't even know what that is. I'm gonna leave it be.
It looks like someone patched the tire beforehand. Like, you know,
I know, bacon strip thing.
Yeah.
Well, so yeah, it's got a little rust on the frame since it wasn't in really good condition.
Yeah, they took it to Sand Lake or whatever.
Since it's been
down in Oregon.
Right now, we need to replace the grips.
Because they're a little sticky.
Grips are old. Probably I don't know if we'll try to redo the paint or try to fix some of the rust problems, but right now the biggest problem is this rear axle. Currently, the bearings sound like they're shot, so when you turn left hard, it makes a really bad just scraping noise, and it sounds like it could affect the entire rear end and replace that. The right side, when you turn right, not so bad, but it's a pretty fast quad. It's a 6-speed manual. It's got reverse even. So
yeah, it's one of the few quads I've actually seen that has a 6-speed.
Yeah, it's definitely fast. Third gear rips pretty hard. Don't really need to go above third unless you're got a wide open space. It's a lot of fun. Hopefully get that rear axle fixed at some point, but right now out at Cameron's uncle's place. Beautiful property.
I've ridden here before, guys. We're gonna do this is gonna come out Monday, so on Friday we're gonna have another video out of us riding. Hopefully this time I can get the camera up, you know, so it's not all pointed down at the ground.
Yeah.
So let's see, a little bit of rust, shot rear axle, but we've done a lot to it. Oh, it also has like a aftermarket pipe that makes it sound like a 2-stroke for some reason.
Let me start it up.
Yeah, go ahead and start it up. You got the.
That's okay.
Got a key.
Yeah.
Put it on run.
Electric start.
Electric start only, which kind of sucks.
Nice, but yeah, it does kind of suck. So.
If the battery dies, it's dead. It's pretty loud. It kind of screams.
Yeah,
so.
I wish it was a little bit quieter, but with the helmet, it's not so bad.
Yeah. What do you plan on doing to it in the future?
Probably take apart that rear axle and see exactly what's the problem. Right now, the best case scenario, we just have to replace the bearings, but worst case scenario, change the whole rear end, which in total, changing this housing, the axle, along with the bearings is going to be about $180. And then the chain, not in the best condition, probably need to replace that. So
yeah. So we'll probably do another update video when this is like 100% good. We're gonna go to a little flyby clip and then we're gonna shut out the video. So That's about second. So, hey, come back through in third. Yeah, he's going kind of slow. It's a little bumpy. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe. As always, we have those 2 Robinhood links down in the description, or two Robinhood and Webull links down in the description. You can sign up for free and get 2 free stocks with each app. So it helps us out. We really hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. There's much more to come. You know, with Nick's VWs, my motorcycle, hopefully a quad in the future, more ride videos, more garage sale videos, all sorts of stuff. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you later.
Bye.